here's a little something about my experience over the years doing collets. When you do like any collet, putting claws around it, working around it, if you have very few problems going around it, it seems to inflate your confidence and sense of ability to do it easily, to the point where you get to the last claw and you think, just do this one, I'm going to finish it, and then you'll start having problems, like solder will start running up the claw or go over the collet and it won't join in, or it goes on the wrong angle or something. Or if you get the opposite experience where you kind of struggle and have to work really carefully, fixing little problems all the way around, but then by the time you get to the last one, you're so trained up from dealing with all the things that could go wrong, the last one goes on really smooth and nice. So just a little bit of what's happened to me in my career that I'm aware of now. So you've got to watch out for yourself getting too confident and working too quickly as you go around it, because making jewellery has a habit of just biting you and teaching you a lesson, kicks you up the arse. As soon as you start to think you're good is when you'll get kicked up the arse and you'll make a mistake. So watch out for that.